Velammal Vidyalaya Karur. Now I am much delighted to participate in Whale Expo 2020. Now I am going to do hot water versus cold water. This is hot water. I mix red color in it. This is cold water. I mix yellow color in it. Let me pour the hot water. Let me pour the cold water. And take this plastic sheet and put it in hot water and stir. See, the hot water and cold water do not mix because the density of the hot water is less than the cold water. I am going to turn. See, the cold water and hot water has been mixed because the density of the cold water is more than the hot water. Thank you for giving me the chance.
I am Agarshna of class 2A studying in Velammal Vidyalaya Senior Secondary School, Karur. I am much related to participate in Wales Expo. I am going to exhibit the project Lungs Working Model. Let's go! Lungs is a part of respiratory system. The main function of lungs is to exchange gases. It takes in oxygen and gives out carbon dioxide. The functional unit of lungs is alveoli. Lungs is located in the thoracic cavity. Smoking is injurious to lungs. It can also lead to lung cancer. So avoid smoking, stay healthy and stay fit. Thank you for the opportunity provided. KG Parthiv, class 2, studying in Velammal Vidyalaya School, Karur. I am very happy to participate in Whale Expo 2020. Now I am going to show plants experiment photosynthesis. Photosynthesis done in sunlight. I show it in a hot water bowl. Take 2 fresh leaves. Put leaves into the hot water and wait for some time. See, now air bubbles comes out. This shows the presence of stomata in the leaves. The reason behind this is the leaves contains oxygen gas in it. We breathe through lungs. Plants breathe through stomata. This is called photosynthesis.
Thank you for the opportunity provided.
Hi everyone, I'm Rohan. I'm studying second P at Velammal Vidyalaya School, Karur. I have built a park at my home today. Park is the place where everyone loves to go. Kids play here joyfully. Now let me explain the facility. It's two benches for visitors, swing for kids, seesaw for fun. Welcome you all to my park. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Srinidhi, class of 2A. I'm studying in Velammal Vidyalaya Senior Secondary School. I am much delighted to participate in Expo. I am going to exhibit the project. Let's go. Project name Drinking Candle. Plate. This is food coloring. This is candle. This is water. Measure 100 ml water using a measured can. Add few drops of food color. Place a candle center of the dish. Light the candle using lighter. Pick the glass carefully, put it over a candle. See the flame going out of the candle. Brings up the water. Thank you.
Hello friends, I am S. Pramika of class 2A here to do one activity. My activity name is Lavala. A material taken to do vegetable oil, water, food coloring, alcoholic tablet, baking soda and one container. First, pour the vegetable oil into the container. Pour the water into container. Pour 2-3 drops of food coloring. And mix it. And put Alka-Seltzer tablet. Wait for few minutes. Now see, the oil is floating on the water. And put baking soda. Now see, the oil is floating on the water. This is my activity of Lavalam. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Arun Tishwa. I am studying 2B in Velma Vidyalaya Senior Secondary School, Karur. I am much delighted to take part in Whale Expo 2020. I am going to exhibit the project, The Function of Lungs. Lungs is important respiratory organ of our body. Lungs are of spongy and filled organ located on elder side of chest. Lungs, the important respiratory system, allow us to breathe. Lungs bring oxygen into our body called inhalation and send carbon dioxide out of body called exhalation. This exchange of oxygen, carbon dioxide out of called respiration. Thank you.
Good morning to all. I am Nishita. I am studying second standard in Velama Vidyalaya Senior Secondary School, Karur. I am much delighted to participate in Whale Expo 2020. I am going to exhibit the project Multiply Numbers using lines. I multiply numbers 15 into 21 by using lines method. 15 is represented here and 1 is represented by 1 line. And opposite direction 5 is represented by 5 lines. Twenty-one is represented here and 2 is represented by 2 lines. In opposite direction, 1 is represented by 1 line. So determine intersection point between 2 lines. Then count common points in each side. One, two, three, 4, 5. One, two. Then common points in main. Then count common points in main diagonal. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. The main diagonal greater than 9 means carry over next cell. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. The result is 3, 1, 5. Thank you for the given operation T.